Does GoDaddy make QR codes? Yes, GoDaddy allows you to create QR codes through its website builder and digital marketing tools. These QR codes can link to websites, landing pages, or contact forms, helping customers access your content quickly. Method 1. Use GoDaddy Website Builder. Step 1. Sign in to your GoDaddy account. Visit GoDaddy.com and log in to your account. Step 2. Access the Website Builder. From your dashboard, open your Website Builder project. Step 3. Add a QR code section. Click Add Section from the Website Builder menu. Choose QR Code Generator if available. Step 4. Customize the QR code. Enter a URL. Provide the link to your website, product page, or contact form. Style the QR code. Adjust the size, color, and design if customization options are available. Step 5. Publish and use the QR code. Download or print. Save the QR code for business cards, flyers, or email campaigns. Add to website. Publish the QR code directly on your website. Method 2. Use GoDaddy Studio. Previously over. Step 1. Open GoDaddy Studio. Visit GoDaddy Studio or download the mobile app. Step 2. Create a new project. Click Create New Project and choose a design template. Step 3. Generate a QR code. Select the QR code tool from the design options. Enter your URL. Type the web address you want the QR code to link to. Step 4. Customize the QR code. Change the color, size, and background as needed. Place the QR code within your design. Step 5. Download and share. Download the design. Save the project with the QR code, print or share online. Use the QR code for marketing materials or digital promotions.